Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this Christmas Eve get ready with me look, so I'm going to jump right into that. So the first product I'm using is this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. So I'm going to put this all underneath my face. I use this instead of an actual primer just because my skin is so dry in the winter, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on. The next product I have here is Elginess, I think is how you say it. Triple LGI Renewal Balm. It looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and put this under my eyes. I've been liking this one. It has like a really thick texture and it really moisturizes under my eye. And then since I just spray tanned, as you can tell, my face is like a completely different color. I'm using this darker shade that I have. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade Light Neutral. The next thing I'm going to go in with is this Maybelline Super Stay Multi-Use Foundation Stick. I just have it in a darker shade. I'm going to go through and contour. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer. I have this in the shade 3 Magic Touch. And then right over top of where I concealed, I'm going over it with this FX Translucent Light Powder. For my powder, I'm using this L'Oreal True Match Powder in the shade W3. And then right over top of where I already contoured, I'm going to go over that with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. For my blush, I'm just going to be using this Tarte shade right here. For my highlight, I'm going into the Jeffree Star palette and using the shade King Tut right here. So my brows, I'm going to do them off camera, but I use both of the Anastasia products. I use the Dip Brow, and these are both in the shade Auburn. I'll put the pomade on first and then run through it with this bristly brush, and then I'll go ahead and place the powder right over top of it. I'm going to go in my crease with the shade Tipsy from the Kylie Jenner Naughty palette. Next, for the outer crease, I'm going in with the shade Coal from that same exact palette. Then I'm also going to bring that shade a little bit underneath my eye. So to prime my eyelid for the shimmery color that I'm going to be putting on, I'm using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade 604 Milk. Then I'm just going to blend it in. The next shade I'm going to apply with my fingers is this Snowflake color. It's like this light silvery shimmery color. I'm going to put that right over top of what I just put on. Next, I'm going to be doing winged eyeliner. I've been using this Clinique High Impact Liquid Liner, and I absolutely love this. I originally have been using the KVD Tattoo Liner, but I started using this and I absolutely love it. I kind of like it more, to be honest. I just finished up the winged eyeliner, as you can tell. Now I'm going to throw on some mascara. This is a mascara from Lancome. I'm going to put that on my lashes. I'm going to do like a light layer because I think I'm going to put some actual lashes on today. While I'm waiting for my mascara to dry, I'm going to go ahead and put on this lip scrub. This one is from Bali Balm, and this is the Pineapple Lip Scrub. I like to use these before I put on like chapstick or even like lip gloss or anything like that. And then after that, I'll just moisturize my lips until I decide what I want to do, like lip gloss wise or liquid lipstick wise. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this on. So like for special occasions, like concert wise and stuff, I'll wear like the huge like big house of lashes, eyelashes. But like for the holidays, I like to wear like simple like natural looking ones, so it's not like whoa, like, you know. And they're a lot nicer too because they're not so heavy. These ones are light, as you can tell. These are the Kiss Sultry Lashes, and yeah, I just want something natural basically. Here's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all in my next one.